Okay, so today we're really going to take a nice long look at negative exponents. We're going to be multiplying them. We're going to making sure that you don't have a negative exponent in the numerator, and we're going to work on a couple of problems. All right, so first off, write down your objective. Today's objective will be to simplify equations with negative exponents. So we're going into more detail, a more comprehensive look at equations with negative exponents. When you copy this down, when you're done copying this down, go ahead and push play. So you should be pushing pause right about now, and then push play when you're ready to continue. Okay, we're going to keep following along with our I do, you do, our do, we do, you do. And the first one is going to be the one that I do. So right now I need you to put your pencils down and watch. When I'm done solving this problem, I want you to go ahead and push pause, copy it down, and then we'll do the number 2 together. Ready? So these exponents have the same base. They're both 4. So when we are multiplying exponents with the same base, what we do is we take our exponents and we add them. So this is going to be 4 to the 2 plus 2. Okay? When I add 2 and 2 together, it becomes 4 to the 4th power. And I can actually simplify this or solve it further by saying 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. But my instructions right now, really all I want you to do is simplify it. I'm going to go ahead and solve it anyway. So 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 16. I don't know it off the top of my head. I'm going to go ahead and multiply it. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 1 is 6. Plus 3 is 9. 6 times 1 is 6. 1 times 1 is 1. Bring down my 6. 9 plus 6 is 15. Carry my 1. That's 2. So 256 is my answer. So my answer is 200. That didn't look like a 5. 256. And that is solving. Right now, really, where I want you to get to at least is that we have 4 to the 4th. Okay? Go ahead and pause now. Copy this down. When you're ready, push play, and we will continue. All right, here we have another one, and this one does have a negative exponent, so we need to really be careful. Okay? So they have the same base of 7. So I'm going to take my base of 7 and bring it down. I'm going to take my negative 4 and I'm going to add a positive 3. So negative 7 or negative 4 plus 3 is actually going to give me a negative 1. I cannot have a negative exponent up here. So in order to solve this part even more, I'm going to create a fraction with 7 to the 1 as my denominator. So this is actually equal to 1 over 7 because anything to the first is itself. Hopefully I didn't go too fast. If I did go too fast, push rewind, play it over, and see if you can keep up. So the last one that we're going to do today is this one. And I'm going to help you out a little. This is the you do. So this one you're going to do on your own. But see how 4 is by itself? I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to give you that is 4 to the 1 and then have you solve it. And hopefully you come up with the right answer. And we'll check that in class tomorrow. Okay? Have a good one.